Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and sometimes tech. And for today's video, I am excited and thrilled to bring you guys my review and unboxing of the off-white Nike Air Max 97 Menta. Let's go! Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium but affordable men's accessories brand based out of Australia. They ship straight to the Philippines, door to door, and they have a great range of necklaces and bracelets that you guys might want to check out. Here are three of my favorites. This is the beaded bracelet in black that I wear every day. So as you guys can see, it's rose gold and black. So I wear this one every day. It's so easy to wear. It's also very affordable. If I want to go a little bit more premium or formal, this bracelet really comes handy with that silver accent for the clasp along the very end. Or if you want to go all out, guys, they have bracelets like this one with really funky ending and accessories. This one has like some sort of grenade at the very end. They also have one with an axe and one with a one-wing angel kind of vibe to it. Now, they were kind enough to hook you guys up with a very special discount. All you have to do is check the link down below and you will be able to shop on a specially curated and selected page with accessories like that at fantastic discounts. Go! This is the off-white Nike Air Max 97 OG, which I was able to cop a few weeks ago and is months ago, and is part of my The 10 OG collection. I haven't actually picked up another version of that one up until today. This particular sneaker was actually teased in the Paris fashion show of Off-White by Virgil Abloh, and it has built a lot of hype, incredible anticipation for the actual release. What makes it special is the two-tone upper of gray as well as the tri-colored swoosh that we've seen for the first time with the Air Max series with the Off-White collaboration with Virgil Abloh. Let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes in your typical brown carton box with the familiar, quotation marks at the very top, Nike swoosh. So this is a deconstructed vibe that Virgil Abloh has been known for with all of his works and collaborations with Nike. If you take a look at the side of the sneaker, you have the rest of the information ranging from the size, the 10 Nike Air Max 97 OG over there, and the colorway says Off-White, Menta, Wolf Gray. Yeah, so that's the colorway. Now what else is here? Okay, the shipping address here along the other side of the box, and let's just pop this open and take a look at what's inside. Now, as with all of the Off-White or most of the Off-White sneakers, the 10, it has like an inside out box. So you have the Nike logo here. This is supposed to be what's outside, and then you have that familiar, really nice looking tissue paper, wrapping paper that has the Off-White and Nike logo, which just looks really kick-ass. Now, if you take a look at a closer look, it actually says more details about the shoe in the wrapping paper itself. So you see this particular detail. Let me just read out some of it for you guys. So it says here, sizes 4 to 12, upper, white, black, canvas upper built to be rugged and breathable for durability and comfort, rubber toe cap to increase durability, and more stuff like that. So most of the information you can actually find in the wrapping paper, so you don't just throw that away. And here you have the sneaker. This is Off-White Nike Air Max 97 Menta. And as you guys can see, the deconstructed vibe, tearing it down to its bare minimum and basics and then rebuilding it from the ground up, that particular style of Virgil Abloh is in full effect with this sneaker. What do I mean by that? If you take a look at the original Air Max 97, it was meant to be some sort of like bullet train or inspired by mechanical things because the guy who actually designed it loved mountain bikes. If you take a look at this particular sneaker, you really don't get that vibe anymore. You don't get like the lines, strong lines that really define the Air Max 97. Instead, you get like a two-tone particular sneaker that really seamlessly flows from the bottom to the top. You have this you have the air unit here at the bottom, which is of course a hallmark feature of the Air Max 97. Then it becomes some sort of dark gray color here. That's the first outer wave over here at the bottom, which slowly transitions to that translucent upper, which is actually see-through, which is a key feature of the series, the ghosting series of sneakers that came out with the original, the 10. The ghosting series are sneakers that have translucent or see-through uppers, including the Air Max 97. And then you have that beautiful tricolored swoosh over here. I love how this particular color was made. It just gives the sneaker so much more pop and so much more personality and gives it that hype, I think, that a lot of people are looking for. Of course, you have the air quotation marks over here. And then if you take a look at the other side, the medial side of the sneaker, you have the shipping address over there. And then you have that familiar tag, which is in some sort of baby blue color versus your typical red tag. Going to the tongue, you have exposed stitching throughout the tongue material over here, and then the same tongue is actually translucent so people can actually see what your socks are if they take a look at what's inside the tongue section. You have the Nike sportswear logo that's off center, so this is pretty cool because most of the time you see Nike and Adidas and other brand logos at the very center of the tongue tab and very prominently displayed at that. This time it is off center, off balance, and it just looks really nice when it's built like this one. I have a pull tab here at the back, which is latched together with that stripe over here. You have this white piece of tape attached over here, which is usually orange, as you guys can see here with the OG and the other models. This time they use like some sort of white tape, and then you have that icy outsole with the Nike logo over here. If you want to keep it low-key, you can actually just use the gray laces that it comes with, but if you want to go all hype, just with most sneakers of Off-White, all you have to do is actually change the laces, and it comes with extra laces. This particular pair came with a teal lace that you can swap out the gray one for. So again, if you want to keep it low-key, you want to keep it casual, you want to keep it, not too loud, you can go with the gray one. But if you want to go all hype beast mode and you want to get attention, all you have to do is swap out with this one and you're all hype. Now, how is this sneaker on feet? This is where it becomes a little bit tricky. I think the sizing for the Air Max 97 is great for people with narrow feet and normal size feet. But if you do have some sort of wide feet like me, the forefoot section tends to be a little narrow, so it might be tight for you guys like it is a little bit tight for me. I feel that especially because my right foot is a little bit wider than my left foot. So if I actually wear the Air Max 97, my left foot, okay, perfect fit, super comfortable. I love the cushioning. The upper is just fantastic on it. It is the right size, the right fit. But on my right foot, my toe and my other part of my pinky foot actually is very constricted with the way the toe box is built. As you guys can see here, it's very narrow, it's not wide, it doesn't have a lot of give. Especially this material is not knit. So it actually presses down on your foot. It doesn't budge too much. So again, just a fair warning to those who have wide feet. You might want to consider going half a size or maybe even a full size up. But again, the challenge there is the shoe might get a little bit too long. So yeah, just be aware that that might be a problem. If this particular silhouette, the 97, isn't the best for your foot type, the great news is there are a lot of Off-White collab sneakers, as you guys can see in the back, that you can just pick up. My personal favorite for people with wide feet is definitely either the Ones or the Air Force Ones. You can even go with the Blazers. Those are really fantastic sneakers that offer fantastic comfort and fit for people with wide feet like me. And of course, the Prestos. Now, with that out of the way, if you have normal feet, if your feet are narrow and it fits well, you do get fantastic comfort from this sneaker. At the end of the day, you get a full air midsole, guys. That's a full air cushioning technology that you have here at the bottom, which really goes in full effect, especially with the insole that they put in the sneaker. It's a really comfortable sneaker. It's a really stylish sneaker. It's a super hype sneaker, especially if you turn it up with teal laces like this one. I guess ultimately the challenge is if you can get it for a good price. Here in the Philippines, some stores are already selling this at resale for a little over, are you ready for this? Hold on to your seats. For a little over 50,000 pesos. So it is pricey. As with anything Off-White, it is hella expensive. So if you are triggered with expensive prices, if you see the title of my video saying Off-White, don't watch, okay? Before we end the video, I just want to share with you guys a quick unboxing, or is that Off-White socks. So I actually picked this up to be able to go with the shoe, and I just want to share with you guys how funky Off-White socks are, how different they are compared to other socks, and how Virgil is consistent with this deconstructed style when it comes even to his accessories. So as you guys can see here, it comes in that mint colored box with the plastic overlay over here at the top. This is what the socks looks like. It actually matches the color of the Menta in a way. So as you guys can see there, it's a bit gray with some sorts of green accent at the top. If you actually take the socks out, and this is where it becomes really funky, it looks like the bottom part is the inside. So it is inside out at the bottom, but the upper part is the right style. So it says they're off-white. But again, if you just take a look at the bottom, it looks like, hey, that's what the inside of the socks is supposed to look like. If it says they're left and right. Now, what's great about this sock is it's actually inside out. It's reversible. And if you reverse it, the upper part looks like it's what the upper part looks like what's inside out, while the bottom looks like it is the actual right kind of sock. So let me just turn that over so you guys can see. There you go. You have the stripes, you have the green color, and that's how it becomes, what do you call this, reversible. Now, personally, I would love to wear this reversed because it just looks so cool with the faded green stripes at the top as well as the off-white logo over here. For the price of the socks, I will not even go there because some of you might get triggered. So yeah, just check it out at Off-White Manila if you guys are curious as to how much the socks are over at that store. Off-White Manila is located at the building across of Power Plant Mall. I don't know what the name of the exact building is. I just know it's the building with Balenciaga. It's also the same building with the UCC Cafe shop at the second floor. So you guys might want to check them out and just do some window shopping. They have a lot of great accessories. One of my favorite accessories, guys, from Off-White Manila. And it's actually the most, how do you call this? You get the most value, the most bang for your buck with this accessory. I really think this is the best accessory. And I'll probably do another video on this one in the coming days ahead. This is their iPhone case. So it has the off-white diagonal logos at the back. But what really makes it cool and what really makes it a little bit different, apart from it just selling for like 6,800 pesos, it's probably one of the cheapest off-white things that you guys can get here in the Philippines. It also comes with the lanyard with the off-white industrial belt design. So you can hook this up to your ID if you are a corporate guy and you have to wear an ID at work, or you can hook up the lanyard to the bottom of the phone case. Again, for 6,000, I think it's great value for money considering a lot of other designer luxury cases like the Gucci's of this world or the LVs of this world sell their cases for over 30,000 pesos. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, quick shout out to Rose Gold and Black for sponsoring the video. If you guys haven't seen the page yet with the curated offers, hit the link down below for that special discount that they prepared especially for you guys. Also, a quick shout out to the awesome folks over at Off-White Manila for giving me, well, not giving me, I bought this, but I wish they gave it to me. But yeah, for letting me buy. Wow, letting me buy this really cool iPhone case. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and hit the notification bell as well. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Peace, God bless. What's up? Alam nyo na. Boom!